Okay, now we are going to practice making a cone, and I'm going to start the same way I started with my cylinder, with an oval shape. So let's go ahead and make 2 dots. And now we're gonna connect our dots. And I always like to start with the top part. So I'm gonna make a curved line that looks something like this. Again, we are practicing, so it's okay to make mistakes. We can always fix them later. All right, so I have the top part. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the bottom part to enclose this little area right here. And I'm creating an oval shape. All right, so there's my oval. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find the center. Okay, I didn't really measure it, but it just so happens that it's about 2 inches. These 2 dots are 2 inches apart, so that means that I can put my dot right here. And now, how tall do I want my cone to be? I'm gonna do 3 inches. So 1, 2, and 3. I'm just gonna make a little dot right there. All right, have my dot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the edge of my oval shape right here to this dot, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. So let's go ahead and use a ruler to try to make it as even and straight as possible. Once again, remember, we are practicing, so it's okay if we make mistakes, as long as you get the idea. Right there. And there you have it. Now I have my cone.